Hey everyone, long time no see. I have been a little bit offline because of a project. Just did a little demo here from my computer. From where? You can see it's a room. I don't know if it's working or not, but you, it's an airport. It's a great place. I have a flight in about, I don't know, this whole room is for me free. Um, the flight itself is at 10 p.m. and right now it's 2 p.m. So I've got a very long time to do nothing but celebrate the success of this demo that we have given. And I thought about sharing a quick update video with you guys. It's been a long time since I spoke on my YouTube and share some new things that are coming, some updates. So let's get to it. I'll try to keep it 5 minutes maximum. So we are hiring at Avanai. We are scaling. I'm super happy that we already hired a few very smart engineers who really help us get what we want on a timely manner, and they sit there until the job is done. And that kind of personality that I like the most is like, get the job done. It doesn't matter how much time it takes. So that's from that side. Our recruitment funnels are going good. We are right now in the process of even hiring more to the US company, but to the European company as well. So our main focus is both Europe and US. And when I'm saying this and I'm sharing this update, I'm feeling so humbled because some of you guys might know that on 15th of March, I was like just an individual contributor back from my startup world, like this voice AI agent that I was building. And I just gave one n8n workshop. Fast forward today, I've given over 60 workshops of n8n. Right now, I'm in Zurich. Yesterday I had, the day before yesterday, I had a workshop here. And every Wednesday I give one of these n8n workshops, but between that, many more. So there are quite a lot of n8n workshops coming up. So stay tuned. On the Luma page, you find always a link there. Also, I announced on my LinkedIn page, so if you are interested in learning n8n, next week I'm going to Frankfurt. After that, it is Berlin, home. And then after that, I'm going to Paris. The rest of them, I don't remember. It's on the list. So if you're in one of those cities, stop by, say hi. Let me show you how n8n changes the world, or how n8n, and at Avanai, we as n8n partner, change the way people work. Work that we know is changing. It's the AI agents that people are talking in those YouTube videos. Those are partly incorrect because you can make 25,000 euros or dollars in 15 minutes, but the concept itself is absolutely right, and we at Avanai are doing it for big organizations, big brands. So if you are in one of those cities, stop by and say hi. Looking forward to meeting you.